Dear students, hope you all are good at your places and utilizing the time fruitfully at home. You all must have studied subtraction in your earlier class and must have gone through the explanation link of subtraction. Today, let us revise it and summarize this chapter in this video. Let's see contents to be revised. Subtraction sentence, properties of subtraction, subtraction with regrouping, subtraction by breaking the bigger number, estimating the difference, story sum, combining addition and subtraction, subtraction sentence. Children, do you know what is difference? Yes, it is the result of subtraction. Minuend minus subtrahend equal to difference. For example, 5 minus 2 equal to 3. The number from which another number is subtracted is called minuend. Here 5 is minuend. The number that is subtracted is subtrahend. So 2 is subtrahend. The answer we get after subtraction is difference. My answer is 3. So here 3 is difference. Subtraction properties. My first property is order property. In subtraction, we cannot change the order of numbers. That is, if 5 minus 3 equal to 2, we can't do it as 3 minus 5 because we can't subtract 5 from 3. It is not possible at all. My second property is subtracting 0. If we subtract 0 from a number, children, what do we get? The difference will be number itself. That is, any number minus 0 equal to number itself. Or we can say that 55 minus 0 equal to 55. Subtracting number from itself. If we subtract a number from itself, the difference is, can you guess children? Right, it's 0. That is, any number minus number itself equal to 0, or 2000 minus 2000 equal to 0. Now, how to subtract large numbers? Subtraction with regrouping. Exercise 3.2, question 2. Find the difference and check your answer. 5498 and 9176. Here in this question we will subtract. Why? Because difference means subtract. So we write larger number first and smaller number below it in proper columns. Then do subtraction of one column at a time, like in ones place. So we have 6 ones and 8 ones. But 8 can't be subtracted from 6. So what we will do, children? Yes, we borrow 1 from tens place. At tens place, now we are left with 7 minus 1, 6. And at ones place, we have now 16 ones. So 16 ones minus 8 is 8. Moving on to tens place, we have 6. We can't subtract 9 from 6. So, can you guess children what to do? Right, borrow 1 from 100 place. It will become 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. Now at 100 place we are left with 0. We have 0, so we borrow 1 from 1000 place. It will become 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. At 1000 place we have now 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. Now my answer is 3678. Now we can check it by adding the two smaller numbers 3678 and 5498. Now let's see how to add it. 8 plus 8 is 16. So 1 carry at tens place and write 6 at ones place. Now add 7 plus 9. It is 16 plus 1 17. So 7 at tens place and 1 carry at 100 place. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 1 11. Right, children? So again I have to write 1 at 100 place and 1 carry at 1000 place. It will become 5 plus 3 8 and plus 1 9. So see, I am getting the same answer as 9176. So my subtraction is correct. But if I am not getting the same answer, there is some mistake in my subtraction sum. Subtraction by breaking the bigger number. Exercise 3.3. Question number 7. 2724 minus 500. So here we will break the bigger number 2724 as 2724 and subtract 500 from it. So it will be 2000 plus 724 minus 500, 224. So my final answer is 2224. Estimate the difference. Children, here we have to find the difference. So what we will do? We will subtract. Exercise 3.5. Estimate each difference to the nearest 100. Also find the actual difference. B part, question number 2. 710 minus 592. Here we subtract 710 from 592. What we will get? 10 minus 2 is 8. So at tens place we have 0. Again I borrow 1 from 100 place. It will become 10. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. At 100 place we are left with 6. 6 minus 5, 1. So my answer is 118. Now this is my actual difference. Now we will find out the estimated difference. For that we have to find estimated value. So what estimated value will be of 710? Here at tens place we have 1 which is less than 5. So what we will do? My estimated value will be 700. At tens place in the next digit we have 592. That is tens place is 9 which is more than 5. So here I add on 1 to 100 place. So my estimated value is 600. 700 minus 600 is 100 which is my estimated difference. Story sums. Exercise 3.6. Question 2. E part. 890 people boarded a train at the first station. At the second station, another 238 people boarded the train. But 136 people got off. How many people are on the train at the second station now? Children, in this question we have mixed operation, that is addition and subtraction, because first we find total number of people. For finding the number of people left, we need total people of both stations. So we add first, and for finding number of people left, what we will do, children? Can you guess? We will subtract. Number of people got off means number of people gone from total number of people. Now let's see the solution. Here first we add the number of people of both the stations. My first statement will be number of people boarded at first station, that is equal to 890. My second statement is number of people boarded at second station, that is equal to 238. Next, number of people got off, that is equal to 136. Now what we have to find? Number of people left. So what we will do? That is equal to 890 plus 238, adding the people of both stations. My answer is 1128. Now subtract number of people got off from this total, that is 1128 minus 136, that is equal to 992. So what is the last line of the question, children? How many people are on the train at the second station now? So what will be my final answer? I took it from there. It is 992 people are on the train at the second station now. Exercise 3.9, question 3, combining addition and subtraction. That is 2493 minus 3427 plus 5234. Children, always arrange the numbers with plus sign together and do addition first. Here we will see what are the numbers with plus sign. We add them, that is 2493 plus 5234. 3 plus 4, 7. So now at tens place we have 9 plus 3, that is equal to 12. So we write 2 at ones place and carry 1 to 100 place. It will become 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. At thousand place we have 2 plus 5, 7. Now what will be my second step? We have to subtract 3427, that is number with minus sign, from this total number of total, that is 7727. 7727 minus 3427. 7 minus 7, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 7 minus 4 is 3 and 7 minus 3 is 4. Thank you, children.